Amarnath Yatra Helicopter Tour, the ultimate guide by amarnathjayatra.com. The video will guide viewers through the process of booking an Amarnath Yatra helicopter tour. It will cover everything from choosing the right tour operator to understanding the flight itinerary, making it a comprehensive resource for anyone considering this unique experience. In this video, we will cover 1. Planning your Amarnath Yatra helicopter tour. 2. Understanding the helicopter tour options. 3. Costs and duration of flights. 4. Itinerary for Amarnath Yatra helicopter tour. 5. Booking process and necessary documentation. 6. Cancellation charges. 7. Essential things to know before your flight. 8. What to expect during the flight. 9. The journey from base camp to the Holy Cave. 10. Stunning views of the Himalayan landscape. 11. Tips for capturing photos and videos. 12. Conclusion. A memorable and spiritual experience. 13. Customer support. 1. Planning your Amarnath Yatra helicopter tour. The planning phase is crucial to ensure a smooth and enjoyable pilgrimage. From understanding why a helicopter tour is advantageous to knowing the available options, this section covers all essential aspects. Why choose a helicopter tour? Convenience and time saving. Helicopter tours allow you to complete the entire yatra in just 1-2 days, making it ideal for devotees with tight schedules. Breathtaking aerial views. Experience unparalleled views of the snow-covered Himalayan peaks, lush valleys, and flowing rivers, adding a unique perspective to your journey. Access to remote terrain. The high-altitude Amarnath Cave is challenging to reach on foot. Helicopters provide safe and efficient access, especially for those unable to trek. 2. Understanding the helicopter tour options. Exploring the right route and package is vital for a tailored experience. This section highlights the popular routes and package categories. Routes. Neelgrath to Panchtarni, the most economical and frequently used route, ideal for those staying near Sonmarg. Pahalgam to Panchtarni. This route offers scenic views of the Litter Valley, perfect for nature enthusiasts. Srinagar to Panchtarni, via Neelgrath. A direct and convenient route for travelers arriving at Srinagar Airport, minimizing road travel. Packages. 4-star basic. Designed for budget-conscious pilgrims, this package includes standard amenities and accommodations. Available for the 11th of July, 09 August. 4-star classic. An upgraded package with enhanced services and better hotel options, offering a balance of comfort and value. This is recommended package available for 1 July 09 August. 4-star premium. A luxurious package featuring top-tier services, premium accommodations, and added conveniences for a hassle-free experience. Available from 01 July 09 August. 3. Costs and duration of flights. Understanding flight durations and costs helps you plan your budget and time effectively. Flight durations. Neelgrath to Panchtarni, 5-10 minutes. Pahalgam to Panchtarni, 15-20 minutes. Srinagar to Panchtarni, approximately 45-60 minutes, including a brief stop at Neelgrath. Package costs. Basic package. Rs 45,000 per person for 4 nights and 5 days. Classic package. Rs 65,000 per person with upgraded services. Premium package. Rs 85,000 per person for a luxurious experience. 4. Itinerary for Amarnath Yatra helicopter tour. This 5-day itinerary ensures a well-planned spiritual journey. Day 1. Arrival in Srinagar. Airport pickup, RFID card assistance, hotel check-in, yatra briefing, and overnight stay. Day 2. Srinagar to Neelgrath helipad to Panchtarni. Breakfast, drive to Neelgrath, helicopter ride to Panchtarni, and a 6 kilometers trek or pony ride to the Holy Cave. Overnight camp at Panchtarni. Day 3. Panchtarni to Neelgrath to Srinagar. Return helicopter ride, drive to Srinagar, optional sightseeing, and overnight stay. Day 4. Srinagar to Gulmarg to Srinagar. Drive to Gulmarg for snow activities and gondola rides. Return to Srinagar for dinner and rest. Day 5. Departure from Srinagar. Breakfast, checkout, and airport transfer. Inclusions and exclusions. Accommodation. 3 nights in Srinagar and 1 night in Panchtarni. 4-star hotels and camps as per package. Meals. Breakfast and dinner as per the itinerary. Hygienic langar meals at the campsite. Helicopter tickets. Round-trip helicopter ride from Neelgrath to Panchtarni or other selected routes. Priority Yatra Pass ensures hassle-free darshan at the Holy Cave. Transportation AC vehicles for all transfers between airport, hotels, and helipads. Guidance and assistance. Dedicated representatives to guide you throughout the yatra. RFID and KYC formalities. Assistance with obtaining and verifying RFID cards and other documentation. Exclusions. Travel to Srinagar, airfare, train tickets, or other transportation to and from Srinagar are not included. Personal expenses, shopping, snacks, or personal items purchased during the trip. Additional sightseeing costs, entry fees for attractions like Mughal Gardens, gondola rides in Gulmarg, and Shikara rides on Dal Lake. Porter and pony charges. Costs for ponies or palkis for the trek to the Holy Cave. Rs 2,000, Rs 9,000 depending on the service. Insurance and tips. Travel or health insurance and tips for drivers, guides, or hotel staff are not included. Delays due to weather, extra accommodation, transportation, or meals required due to delays or cancellations caused by weather. Other unspecified services. Anything not mentioned under inclusions, such as laundry, additional food items, or services beyond the itinerary. 5. Booking process and necessary documentation. Booking your yatra is simple with both online and offline options available. Online booking. Visit amarnathjyatra.com. Customize your package, pay securely online, and submit required documents. Offline booking. Submit an inquiry form and confirm your booking via phone or WhatsApp. Required documents: a valid government ID, yatra permit, and a medical fitness certificate are mandatory. 6. Cancellation charges. Understand the cancellation policy to avoid unexpected costs. No refunds for cancellations within 90 days or for helicopter tickets. Token fee, 50% non-refundable. Refunds for cancellations 365 days before departure. 50% provided you pay full amount of package, excluding GST. 7. Essential things to know before your flight. Proper preparation ensures a smooth experience. Weather conditions, unpredictable. Himalayan weather can lead to delays. Always include buffer days in your itinerary. Altitude sickness. Stay hydrated, avoid heavy meals, and engage in light physical activity before the journey. Packing essentials. Woolen clothing, waterproof trekking shoes, snacks, and your yatra permit are crucial. What to expect during the flight. Enjoy smooth takeoffs and landings with stunning aerial views of the Himalayan landscape, adding a magical dimension to your pilgrimage. 9. The journey from base camp to the Holy Cave. Choose your preferred mode of travel for the 6 kilometers journey. On foot, approx. 2 hours of serene trekking. Ponies, Rs 3,000 to Rs 3,500 per person for a both-way ride. Palkas, Rs 9,000 per person for a both-way trip. Ideal for elderly or less mobile pilgrims. 10. Stunning views of the Himalayan landscape. The journey offers breathtaking vistas of glaciers, rugged peaks, and lush meadows, creating unforgettable memories. 11. Tips for capturing photos and videos. Maximize your photography with wide-angle lenses and avoid reflections. Take time to soak in the views while capturing the beauty. 12. Conclusion. A memorable and spiritual experience. Recap of benefits. A time-efficient, visually stunning, and spiritually fulfilling pilgrimage experience. Tips for planning. Book early, research reliable operators, and prepare for weather conditions. Sharing your experience. Inspire others by sharing your journey through blogs, videos, and social media. 13. Customer support. For assistance, contact us at mobile or WhatsApp number +919 650 179 451. Our email, booking@amarnathjyatra.com. Embark on this once-in-a-lifetime spiritual journey with amarnathjyatra.com. Book today.